Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So as you can see in the title, today I'm going to share my thoughts about Blue Heaven Oil Free Makeup Foundation. It comes with sunscreen and it has a matte finish. I have the shade cream beige with me. So I got it from Nykaa and I'm surprised to see that there are only two shades available, which is really sad. I mean, there are so many skin tones in India, and we all have like different variations. And I see nowadays there are so many foundation which newly launches are having multiple shades, more than 15 to 16 shades. So I think it should have come with at least 4 to 5 shade like the Lakme. Let's see how it works. अगर ज़्यादा shades होते तो अच्छा होता. The price point, I got it for 90 rupees and I just checked the Nykaa website. There it is. Right now it is showing for 81 rupees, which is good. Price is really cheap. I have used the Lakme one, but this is my first time trying it. And I saw some good comments, some bad comments on Nykaa, but anyway I got it. So it says an easy spread oil free foundation enriched with vitamins and silicones to improve natural texture of your skin. Its specially grinded pigments give high coverage and a flawless velvety matte finish all day long. Best suited for all skin types. For a best result, use Blue Heaven's astringent before applying foundation. So I don't have Blue Heaven's astringent lotion, so that's fine. I'm going to go without it. And also you get 30 ml of product price and MFG date and the expiry date on the bottom of the bottle. It is a glass bottle and it has a plastic cap. Now it comes with a spatula, which is good, and the spatula is kind of sturdy. It's not very flimsy like the one in Lakme Primer Plus Matte, something like that. There is a new foundation. It's not like that, and it's good that in 90 rupees you get some applicator, which is nice. It looks very orangish to me, but I also saw some review about being so orangish. Okay. The smell is very noticeable, but it's not very bad smell. Not very strong, but you can notice the smell. Okay, the fragrance is fading away with time, I feel. Okay, so this is how it looks on my hand. It has completely changed my skin tone, which I don't want. I just want my skin to be even, and I am comfortable with my skin tone right now, so I just want something which suits my skin tone and which doesn't make me look kind of whiter, but I cannot comment on this. I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm going to apply maybe this side of foundation with finger, and this side of foundation with beauty sponge. Oh. Also to my neck. So I don't know if you can see on the camera, but I feel my skin is looking very orangish. It kind of looks muddy, ashy. don't think there is any coverage. No coverage. You see, I have a spot here. You can see the spot easily. There is no coverage. Okay. Okay, so let's apply this foundation with sponge this side, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, it's not high coverage at all. You can see my blemish here. I have dark area here, you can see that. I have a little bit of spot here. I don't think it's high coverage, and I look more orangish in real life. On camera it doesn't look that orangish. I don't know why. Do you see it? I can see. Not on camera. I can see. Okay. I'm not sure if it looks that bad, but I can see some patches. But I can say for sure it is not high coverage. That I can say for sure. No, it looks really patchy. I try to see in the natural light and my skin look darker, I feel. And some places I see patches, like on the nose I see patches. And this side, it looks something like I have something on my skin, but it's not something good. Just muddy kind of, I don't know. So let me know what do you think. It's not that bad, I feel. I mean, I was thinking like it's going to be disaster because it's completely different. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to apply another layer because why not? And see how it goes. It says high coverage. No, it is not high coverage. I don't expect I don't expect a foundation which is under 100 rupees to be very nice and high coverage, but it should not claim that. The problem is that the claim is lie. It should not claim that. Okay, so I have to say one thing. My dark spots, they are less visible, I feel. You see, sorry, dark spots, I'm saying dark circle. My dark circle is less visible this side. Do you see that? Now I look more orangish. Yeah, I look orange. I don't think it's a good shade. No, and I see some patches here. I don't know if you can see, but I have some patches here. Overall, I don't think I like this one. Also, I have some patchiness here. Do you think that this, obviously I applied 2 layers, but you can still see my this very faded spot, which does not, which means it's not high coverage. I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm really trying to be happy that I got this foundation. I'm trying to make it work. I have some patchiness here. You can see that in camera as well. Now I'm breaking the rule. I'm going everywhere with the sponge. And I don't think it's matte because I can still have some. I still have some shininess. It says it's matte finish. Yeah, kind of matte. Yeah, but that like tone is really orangish. In camera, it looks like gray, like more white, but in person, it looks orange. It's a complete lono. Okay, I think it's a no for me. It looks really bad in person. Really bad. I'm not happy about it. I think the side I applied with finger, maybe it's better than Beauty Blender. Okay, so I have some patches here. You see that? I don't know why. I'm just gonna set my So I'm just gonna set my face with powder. I know I'm just blabbering. I'm not sure what I'm doing because I didn't really think it's going to look like that. I mean, kind of I did. I don't know. I'm confused. Okay, so I just completed a basic makeup look. I just wanted to give it a fair try how it looks after finishing all the steps. And I mean, I think in camera it doesn't look that bad. So if you want some photo or something, maybe this foundation will work for you. As I can see in the camera, it doesn't look that bad and it looks okay, I feel. But in real life, it looks really bad. I look really orange and ashy. I don't know. I really look bad in real life. If I have to choose between beauty sponge and finger application method, I'll choose maybe finger application. if you just want to buy a foundation which is affordable, which is under 100 rupees, and you are just starting out with makeup, or if you are at any stage of makeup, do I recommend this to you? No, I don't recommend this to anyone. I feel it's kind of awkward. If it matches your skin, that's a great thing. If it looks good on you, that's a great thing. But on my skin, what I felt is it's not worth it. Even if it's for 100 rupees or 90 rupees, if the product is not good enough, price doesn't matter. Price doesn't matter. I was not expecting very high quality of foundation and giving like full coverage, very nice and everything spotless. I was not expecting that. I was just expecting that I can create a basic makeup look with this, and it can give me a little bit of coverage, little bit of smoothness, little bit of even. If you want to see this kind of videos more, where I give you my review and my impression about this affordable cheap foundations, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get updated if I upload new video. Hit the like button if you like this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.